Today we're going to be painting our color wheel eyes. They should already be labeled primary, tertiary, secondary, tertiary. I'm just lightening them up because some of my colors are a little transparent. On the piece, we will paint our primaries. It does not matter which primary goes where when you begin. Notice the yellow is a little see-through, so you might want to erase those really well. Now in between each color, you're going to mix the two primaries to get your secondary. So yellow and blue will give us a green. You'll notice while I'm mixing the secondary and tertiary colors, the blue has more effect than the yellow does. You'll see when I go back over with the yellow, it barely changes the color at all. This is because yellow is very transparent. So when you're mixing with yellows, you tend to need more yellow. You also have a smaller brush available for those hard to reach areas. We're now working with our purples, red and blue mixed to give you those purples on your color wheel. Right in the center, you should have a pretty even color, and then the tertiary closer to the blue has more blue in it, and the tertiary closer to the red has more red in it. And you just keep mixing directly on your paper. Make sure we're cleaning that brush off and drying that dirty paint water out of our brush when we get fresh paint. Moving here to the yellow, you see I'm putting down a lot of yellow because again, that yellow doesn't have as much pull, and just a little bit of red to get those orange tones. The orange closer to the yellow has more yellow in it, and then the orange closer to the red has more red, but still plenty of yellow because that yellow paint is so light. Try to keep your edges nice and neat. We will be adding some charcoal detail to these next week.